In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Apollo.io in just 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into it and simplify the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get started with this useful tool. First up, you're going to want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, since Apollo's extension works seamlessly with it. But if you're using a different browser, make sure you have access to the Chrome Web Store. In your browser's search bar, simply type Apollo extension. This will direct you to search results where you should look for Apollo.io's official offering. This extension is commonly referred to as Apollo.io Sales Intelligence, so keep an eye out for that name. Once you've found the Apollo.io Sales Intelligence extension, you'll see an option to Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. This step initiates the download process of the extension. Here, it's important to ensure that you are adding the official extension offered by Apollo.io to avoid any third-party apps that could be misleading or not genuine. You'll notice a pop-up appearing on your screen immediately after. This is a standard procedure that asks for your confirmation to install the extension. You'll be presented with an Add Extension button. Simply click on this to confirm. It's a necessary step for your browser to allow the integration of the new tool. Once confirmed, the installation process will immediately commence, and the Apollo.io extension is automatically added to your browser. This should only take a moment, and there's nothing else you need to do manually. To know if everything is set up correctly, you can verify the presence of the extension by looking at your browser's toolbar. Usually, you can see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece. That's the extension icon. Click on it to bring up a list of your installed extensions. If you did everything correctly, you should notice the Apollo logo listed there among your extensions. It's a good idea to pin the Apollo extension for easy access in the future, especially if you'll be using it frequently. And there you have it. You now have Apollo.io installed and ready to assist you in your sales intelligence needs. This tool can be a game changer in managing your sales leads and interactions, ensuring efficiency and better management of your sales pipeline. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has made the process extremely clear and easy to follow. If you found this helpful, feel free to explore other features Apollo.io has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.